Yeah, yeah. Really impact the world and shift culture. You know, and a lot of people ask, what is the sound, what's the music? Especially for this project. You know, it's dancehall, it's reggae, it's Jamaican, it's very authentic to us. But you know, there's obvious influences of hip-hop and even jazz and different styles of music. One of the songs in this project particularly is an obvious influence of like the 1960s. So I don't know, it's hard to put the sound in a box, like what it is. I think it's just our sound, you know, sound of the ship. Hey, 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 don't let them get you down in a this. If you follow them, you could have drowned in a this. Uptown, downtown in a this. You are now locked into the sound of the ship. You are now locked into the sound of the ship. Yeah, yeah. One chip. Yeah, Reggae Sumfest. We come to the press of what's the papers at the end of it. Forever keep that and round in our memory. We don't remember number. Everybody bounce, bounce, bounce. What kind of enemy? No for them need that now them a pattern and a reminisce. Two we gonna be now them a bring we are the nemesis. Lyrics to the beats, we have the streets, we have the memory. Cannot give me the presence if I don't have the memory. Yes, I did. Now I'm not for them, I'm not for the gears of war. The memory there, the right to come up on them. Reggae Sumfest, introduce it, stay with the chain of some brother. Them bad mind, them a try stop with glory. Them never know how far we story. Them a fight when we still no over. Them never know we can take over. Bad mind, them a try stop with glory. Them never know how far we story. I want my right over, give me love. Lyrics over, give me. Let's go. Watch out here with them say. Him on the bus because he ride out for the fast game. When we talk about to never advertise for last name. We don't need the music, we don't have no fast fear. Them no plan a can and operate from every last frame. Love so long for shining light. You know the fast lane system in the game. Then we can have no Gucci black frame. We see right through them and them have a glass frame. Try to run them and not tell them. When I have a glass frame. Hey, so the great water. Chewy and the captain. Offspring. Struggles out with past here. Street respect. Crazy love when it all we go cross here. Some of them can't have a glass. What? For music the streets we lost it. Everything I use is not keep fast here. Reggae Sumfest. One more time. Them bad minds, them a try stop with glory. Them never know how far we story. Them a fight when we still no more because them never know we protect them. Bad mind, them a try stop with glory. Them never know how far we story. Them a fight when we still no more because them never know we protect them. Send them a whippet when them a ready me. Me a looking at Reggae Sumfest now. Them now go sing. Them now go sing. Let me pass over here for now. Watch out. Hey.
It's funny how them can pretend you say.
If you know you read the Reggae Sumfest, give me this. Give me this. Give me this. Give me this. We are so like African.
We are so like African. Not African. We are so like African. African. Right now on the end of it.
original ship. Let's go.
Now Sumfest, do we have any mothers in the house tonight? Do we have any mothers in the house tonight? All who love them mother, let me see some signal now. Let me see one hand in here for mommy. Let me see one hand in here for mommy. Watch it. From me and you, one day my mother tell me. So, she said, don't take up for your car, and she said, oh yeah. So, it's what the mother said. I'm a little clearly. I can't be some boy, if I'm so good, Reggae Sumfest, I just never feel it. Watch this, no woman can do it. No woman by your head. 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 We say now, if the girl never talk, girl never talk with me. She never talk with me. But if you can't be there, can't say me lie. One of them, girl never talk with me. She never talk with me. Now I want everybody to jump for me now. And the 3, 1, 2, 3, jump. We say the girl never talk with me.
Reggae Sumfest, what go on? Alright, watch this now. You have it lined up? Alright, now watch this now. Reggae Sumfest, Jamaica. Feel good for their home, you know, they're back in our place. The return of the ship.
Oh yes.
And you know, serious topic now. You know, Jamaica our place. But I feel like we have to mention this thing, you know, before we got any further. You know, when they're in Jamaica, we love Jamaica, but we can't ignore the fact the place are run away. And we would have loved to see Jamaica get back on track. You know, a time when the place is a little bit safer, never so dark and so much evil things never there gone. You know, we check the news and things now, we say the woman never go missing. We say the baby never get hurt. Kids are get them throat slash and them something there. And I know we that now. All who wants to see a better Jamaica say fix things Jamaica. Our place, right? So now Jamaica, we have to start look out for each other. The change starts with us. We have to start protect each other, protect ourselves most importantly. Protect our family them, protect the elders, protect the children. So Reggae Sumfest. If you know this song, I ask that you help and sing along because the message is very important. Sing from your heart. Ready? Sumfest, careful of who you talk to, careful of where you. Want everybody know Reggae Sumfest, sing for me now. Reggae Sumfest, when we say careful of who you talk to, remember people will try to harm you. Everybody in a Reggae Sumfest, help me sing it out. Sing again. That's why you be careful. And the people you know, none of them no real never fall. Be careful, and the places you go. Open your phone now, and we say you be careful. And the friends that you see, watch yourself. Reggae Sumfest, an artist from the loves. If I have a message for God, watch this. Listen keenly. Okay, we just study me above. Nice single girl where you wanna love. Party Make we be careful. Make we be more loving, more thoughtful. One love. God bless. Yes, sir.
Woo! Now I see a lot of beautiful women in the house tonight. Ladies,
Okay.
from one day they a complain, say they might too soft. And I said the real man them too sharp. Search and I search and now she's so lost. When me tell you this story, let me sing. Girl, bring it come, get me rough it up to you. You need a search, so make up your love to you. So fine, baby, love me now, see ya. Why you come here, girl, make me when let me sing again. Bring it come and make me rough it up to you. You need a search, so make up your love to you. So fine, sing for me, girl. Put this on the garment. Baby girl, you got me hypnotized. It's like me on a spell. Me and her in a big club at a Chrissy and a vanilla and then she wine. So get me on and all a swell. She get the water from the well. Ring a lap and all a tell her till her when you move and work phenomenal. She get me to the Valentino Cologne. Y'all a smell and she say,
Here I come.
I call the this man and well. Girl, bring it come, let me rub it up to you. Need a search so me go feel up to you. So fine, baby, love me, love see you. Fine for me, girl, let me love it up to you. Bring it up and let me rub it up to you. Need a search so me go feel up to you. So fine, so fine. Watch the style, yeah. She said,
What she said?
I kinda no make it. Deaf him girl careless. If I rap so we take it. If you never know, she know me name. Run the file and check it. What you style now? I say girlfriend, let me take you from your boring life. Need some good love in your life. Aren't you tired? Position. Please let me take you home tonight. More than property, them a complain, say them man too soft. And I said the real man them too sharp. Search and now she's so lost. When me tell you this no love, property, them a complain, say them man too soft. And I said the real man them too sharp. Search and now she's so lost.
Let's go. So hold on. While we're on the topic of the ladies, we can sing something for the girl them to please. The good body girl them make some noise, please.
A lie.
So hold on, we need to sing to one of the girl them. Debbie, not you. You married. Drop something. Let me sing a dancehall thing for the girl them, please. Bump again. Bump again. Can you hear my neck? Make some noise, please. All of the ladies, it's how you do. Bump again, she not in a your class. Them girl they love pretty when them in a short shorts. Them kill a zero and them broke. What me put that girl them there? I want you to tell them and get on from your and you know what your clothes you are. Look, bring the alarm, take the dance floor and perform. Just say, come in like them on the day. Let's go back to the order. Let me sing something nice to my girl then. Watch a ladies, bunks a girl, she no more than you. It's smooth when no see no sore for you. And no boy can't like no door for you. And when no set up and they can't program you. Girlfriend, we don't see no stress for you. Take it down please, take it down. Take it down. This is Reggae Sumfest, 30th anniversary. This is real dancehall. This rhythm is called the Pepper Rhythm, produced by me.
Pepper.
And take it down. We make a big history for the rhythm here. I had the opportunity to record one of Jamaica's most legendary, most iconic dancehall artists of all time. Anybody in the Sumfest know Shabba Ranks? Shabba, him there. Shabba says something like this for the rhythm. They give me a bad watch of right as him say genius. Him say tell them. None of them no one like Shabba Rankin. None of them. Don't stop bad rhythm. Hold on now. I'm gonna name the rhythm the Pepper Rhythm because my brother from another mother link me on the street and I play the rhythm for him. And this is the first thing him sing. Level. Him say all them attack. Man a stepper. Johnny a good at talk. Take it down again. No, but bro, I'm over here with them. Where they are bad people place. But it's a big ship. Anywhere in the world where we go. Give me the intro again. When we tell them nothing at all, them can't do it. Tell them say nothing at all, them can't do it. Oh, my brother Sasko, that's up on the one drop. Give me right, Sasko. You can tell them not a rifle, no shotgun, no one pop. Not a... Pepper.
Boy, what a vibes. So we feel like, who's a new music? Who's a new music? It's a new music. Okay, so we have a new project. It's called The Prelude. And the first single, this one is for the females. So get very, very, very familiar with this one.
And we call this one Luca Girl. Because especially in that place, we want the thugs them put down the gun them and take up the girl them. Please.
And
so come with it. This is Keenly. This one dedicated to someone when none no girl. Laugh off of them cause it's comical. Look how the girl them pretty like a Barbie doll. Them no have none, them sick, give them Tylenol.
Really young man, we come from the tropical. Jamaica, that's the capital. The one that shred like a carnival.
I don't know why. Someone don't just want to look at her. Look at her. Oh Lord. Look at her. I want to some you. Them boy that need to stop shooting and walk on look. Hey, look at her. Look at her.
I want to some more. I don't understand why they know. Look at girl, my youth, why not? Turn over girl, what kind of style that? Some man know them gun them so much coming like a them and them rifle tie that.
Come on girl, team, they live on the island. Under the game is the roots, the ice one. Real Jonathan, we will take a car dash. If I ever want him like that.
Hey boy, you don't want a girl where you're up to. Hey, it's the next time we don't cut to. Boy, try make my girl them not broke and them up to go know them body for look to. Me and the girl them a par and them tough and full look that make girl like a boss me a shot to. Nobody can tell me no.
Something, do this again. Look at her. Hey, hey, look at her.
I want them black load. Could I leave around the back road try walk on
Look at her.
oh Lord.
Look at her. Something, watch this.
I don't understand why they know why. I saw them plan for them. Some place them love when shot fly. Like I, she don't need no one with that guy. As them wake and open them eye, them even drink tea and a pre-fi back fly. Now the ass for them call me boss, next Cinderella shoe dance and fancy frock fly. Frock tail now they are jail and that's why. I them make one go look at face, if they one go look at someone, if they one go look at her. Look at her.
Look at her. We don't play. Well, I think I'm stepping up on me and them play.
Look at her. Look how easy we start the grand plan. One man treat them gun, we go man you and down. Look at her. Look at her. Gino, the genius. Yo, oh.
Look at her.
Hold on.
Look at her.
Why them people stop shoot and look at girl?
Tell the thugs them to go look at girl. Put down the gun them, take up the girl them. Please. So now watch this now. So, in my final offering to Sumfest, I'm looking at Sumfest now. I'm looking at the VIP. I'm looking at the next segment. But feel like we don't see no dirty heart people in a Sumfest. If you know your heart clean, give me this right now, please. All clean heart people, keep up your hand until we start playing that song. And keep them up. If your heart don't clean, keep them in your pocket. Keep your hand in your pocket. Let's go. We're going to represent right now.
Steven, this one is not evil. This one is to uplift the people.
Watch out now! Them all they can wish, them all they can. Them never walk the road for we. We're going to represent for my brother, the gunning and righteous now. Sing it now!
Steven, but my not stupid lost people.
What them do?
They don't want us to be a people.
What?
That's all them can do.
Give me this, give me this. Hey!
No, them can't take me down.
No, them can't take me down. When you see we, when a big ship for life until we last breath.
Never steer, never fret, never stay out here.
They're gonna give me a one-job versus again, cause I want the ship. Hey, up on day, wish fissy we fall, wish fissy we fail. Want see we drop off, no want fissy we say. Want see we mash up, no them a pretend. Send them like we when they want see we pretend. Look at them for searching for your things, I don't know how hard we work for them. One more time, Reggae Sumfest. But we'll sing it out, loud. So no, they can't take it. So no, they can't. Take it over here, Sumfest City. Hey. So no, they can't take it. You can't do it, no. So no, they can't take it. All clean up people, big up on yourself in a Reggae Sumfest. That is it. No.
Let's go. Reggae Sumfest. Are you having a good time? Wave the hand them side to side, side to side, side to side. Jamaica them could tell them this. We never change with a party, and we never change with a party. We don't play the games, and we don't play. Put a trust in us, the game from morning. We are hustling and put we all in. When we work, we don't bring us all in. From morning, yeah, as always say, we never ever change. Never ever change. So let's never ever change. Never ever change. Where the kids know what is I know. We never switch, no, we never miss, no, we never eat shut down. Because we are privileged, some good red mixes and eat over this smoke. Genius, not at a talk, not take in a glass. Try to put paper, we take it to art. Hate and attack, them take from the start. Still a head straight to the top now. From our end, we are hustling and put we all in. After work, when I'm free, don't lie. From our end, hey, that's what we say. Never ever change. Never ever change. Never ever change. Never ever change. Give it somebody this. Second, that's what we say. We don't change none at all. They get it, we never do nothing strange none at all. Back again, I run a few, we name never call. That no make us straight none at all. We move on, drop some new songs. Stick to the right and try to do wrong. Happens anything for when we get a new man. Some place the one you got, eh. From Mali, hustle and put we all in. Work with no pain and solid. From Mali, as always say, never ever change. Just never ever change. Yeah, we never ever. Check it out. Check it out. Them say good music can't work. Them say the youth them now make no positive music. Them say positive music can't go nowhere. Well, we are living testament. I did this song over a decade ago. And in 2023 it's still relevant. It's still positive. It's still touching people. So in Reggae Sumfest, I want everybody to join me and sing along the Jamaica unofficial anthem. Let's go. Sing. From morning, we are hustling and put we all in. And when we work, we don't free no. From morning, hey, that's what we say. I can't hear you. Lord of God. That sounds kind of goodish. One more time. Sing. From we are. When we work, we don't free no. From morning, hey, that's what we say. Oh, yeah, say we never ever change. Lord, we never ever change. We are side to side, we are side to side, we are side to side. Say we never change with nobody, and we never change with nobody. We don't play the games, but we don't live. We put us in the one way or one way. Say we never change with nobody, and we never change with nobody. We don't play the games, but we don't live. Respect. So Reggae Sumfest, this is where we turn it up a notch. In order to know where we're going, we have to know where we are forward from.
That is it.
You understand? We are the McGregors. And this is the Big Ship Experience. My fam, are you ready? Let's go.
You know what I'm going?
Yeah, man.
The whole Sugar One thing started with Ernest Wilson, Peter Austin. Ernest and I, we used to sing at East Primary School. So by this time, people kind of realized that it's time the son, like a Freddie and Ernest, them can sing every Thursday at school, and vibes are growing in my community. So my mom is a housewife. She's a kindergarten teacher. She taught most of my friends and all the kids in the community that end up going to high school and college. She pretty much taught them. When we set then reached out to her and told her that Ernest and Peter was going to Kingston next week and they were not leaving Freddie, that Sunday morning, the bus terminus is a bus called Clarendon Comet. I remember that very clearly. And the bus terminus was about 2 miles from where we live. So like 5 a.m. in the morning when the driver blew the horn, it is to remind the community that the bus is ready to go. So my sister and mom, they made a thermos of tea for me. And my mom put some newspaper in my chest. And my sister gave me a nutmeg. And I kept it in my mouth as well. Then I got my change and stuff to buy ice cream and peanut and all the things that like a 7-year-old would want on his way to Kingston. At that time, going to Kingston was like going to New York. You know, when you leave in the country, you're going to Kingston, it's a big thing. And Ernest's mom is settling. And the last instruction was, Ernest, whatever you do, take your tiny son. I never knew what I was doing at the time. I couldn't, at 7 years old, I don't think I could have known what I was doing or getting into. My main mission leaving the country was to help my mother. So you have to give your full dedication to this. And at no time did I have a job outside of music, because I knew this was my calling. So I just make sure to dedicate my life and everything to it.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Reggae Sumfest. When I say big, you say shit. Big, big. When I say Freddie, you say McGregor. Freddie, Freddie. you wanna stay, come my way. If you wanna go, you must go. And if you wanna stay, come my way. If you wanna go, you must go. And if you wanna stay, come my way. If you wanna go, you must go. And if you wanna stay, come my way. Instead of fussing every day, yeah. Why don't you kneel down and pray? Sometimes it's best to look the other way. Life could be better one day. How long will it take you to change your way? This crazy living night and day. But if you wanna go, you must go. And if you wanna stay, come my way. If you wanna go, you must go. And if you wanna stay, come my way. If you wanna go, you must go. And if you wanna stay, come my way. If you wanna go, you must go. And if you wanna stay, come my way. If you wanna stay, come my way. If you wanna go, you must go. And if you wanna stay, come my way. If you wanna go, you must go. And if you wanna stay, come my way. If you wanna go. Thank you, Sumfest. But Sumfest don't have it already. Them on a time.
shift, one captain.
Thank you, Sumfest Massive. Thank you all very much. I want to say give thanks to the Almighty. Every one of us here tonight having a great time. God is good and God is great. You know? I hope when I got sick last year, and Mr. Bogdanovich asked me if I could do Sumfest. I said I will try. But through the Spirit of Christ, I'm here tonight. So God is great. And I thank you all for your prayers and your well wishes. I love you.
Be the captain some energy Sumfest.
Ready?
Yes, man.
Here we go.
Let's go.
This is how the family do it for you and yours.
One trip.
Everybody's gonna put the blame on me. I get over with my darling, but as soon as I get home, it has to change. What you say? I'm not playing any games. Wanna go with what we have, remains the same. Tell me right now, 'cause I wanna know if when push comes to shove, everybody's gonna put the blame on me for loving you, for loving you. Push comes to shove, everybody's gonna put the blame on me. Say I'm loving you, it's a love that's true. No, they just can't stop me from loving you. No way.
So many people wanna see me stop loving you.
So many people wanna see me. No, I can't stop loving you. I wouldn't be so ungrateful to you. You've done so many things for me.
You even made me strong when I was weak. So many people wanna see me stop loving you.
So many people wanna see me,
Stop loving you.
but I can't. No way I can. Whoa. The things you do for me, no other woman have done for me. You make me happy throughout my life. I can't stop loving you when I'm with you. So many people wanna see me.
Stop loving you.
Sing on out. So many people wanna see me.
Stop loving you.
But you're my love, you're my life, you're my sister.
sister tonight. Oh well. Say you're my love, you're my life, you're my sister tonight and forever. Come on now. So many people wanna see me stop loving you. So many people wanna see me stop loving you. So many people wanna see me stop loving you. So many people wanna see me stop loving you.
Another big ship comes sailing on the ocean, and we don't need no commotion. Straight up rubber up tonight, Sumfest time. Say when I'm ready, you better hold on steady. We're moving off at lightning speed. Yeah. Take a seat and wait till I'm ready. I'm coming, so hold on steady. Sumfest,
Big ship sailing on the ocean,
and we don't need no commotion.
a big ship sailing on the ocean, a big ship sailing on the ocean,
And we don't need no commotion.
a big ship sailing on the ocean.
Chino, take it away. Okay.
Well, there are times when the sea gets rough, the wind is blowing, it feels the deep moving. What are you doing, brother man? Sit down, hold tight, get ready, conference sailing on.
Big ship sailing on the ocean,
And we don't need no commotion.
a big ship sailing on the ocean,
Whoa, whoa,
a big ship sailing on the ocean,
oh my Lord.
a big ship sailing on the ocean.
A big ship sailing, and we don't need no commotion. Come on, big ship sailing. Sumfest massive, make me hear you. A big ship. Hold on one more time. A big ship. Thank you very much. God bless you. We love you.
All hail the captain. Yes, sir. Studio.
Let's go.
Original. Right away.